Hey, what's going on, everybody? Me and my buddy here are going to test out this brand new Key West Margaritaville Blender. We're going to make some pina coladas and let you know if this thing's worth the money. Stay tuned. Here we go. Roll the film. Alright, let's start with what does this thing look like coming out of the box. So that's the box right there. We'll put it up on Amazon as far as the model that I got. My wife purchased it for me for my birthday, so thank you. So the pieces coming out of the box, you have the pitcher there, you have the lid for the pitcher. Now, gotta be careful. The lid for the pitcher was literally taped on the back side of one of these boxes there. And I actually threw the thing away. Thank goodness the garbage people didn't come out yet, so I had the box out for the trash. And I was running this thing, and I'd turn it on, and all the water was splashing out. And I'm like, man, there's no way this thing was made like this. And then I looked at the photos. I'm like, man, I'm missing the lid for the pitcher there. And here, the dang thing was taped to the back of the styrofoam. So don't throw the lid to the pitcher away. All right, next, so obviously comes with the big blender. Then this is a separate piece. I'm not going to take it off. That's where the ice goes. And then there is one additional piece back here. It snaps on and off. That is for the water that comes out from the blender there, but I'm going to show you that as we do the how-to video here in a little bit. So there you go. That's what it looks like coming out of the box. We'll go over the pina colada stuff coming up here. Alright, let's go ahead and test this bad boy out. So first thing you need to do, go on Amazon. I'll put it up on the screen. Buy a box of pina colada mix packets so they come out of the box, look like that. Now, these ones you can literally get overnight, a lot on stock on Amazon. There's also a variety pack. This box here took probably a week and a half to get to my house, so plan ahead if you want the variety pack. I didn't even test out the flavors yet, just got in the mail. So Caribbean Fruit Punch, Pina Colada, Strawberry Daiquiri, and Margarita in the big packet there. So, alright, first thing you do is take the packet, and the directions are on the box and on the packet. You mix this with 16 ounces of water. So you go ahead and pour the contents of the packet into the pitcher there. So I'll go ahead and pour the 8 ounces of water in there. And so instead of going 16 ounces of water, I go 8 water, 8 ice. So go ahead and pour ice up on the top there. And I'm going non-alcoholic today because I'm still hurting from the weekend. If you go out, you can see here, two empty bottles. If you go alcoholic, go ahead and throw 1 shot or 2 shots of rum in there as well. And man, you can't taste the alcohol. This thing's so good. All right, go ahead and slide the pitcher on to the blender. So what we got here, we got an on and off button on this side. We have a shave and blend button on this side. So shave means shave the ice down almost into like a slushy up here. Blend means the blender is going to go around and mix the mix once it's down there. On this side we have a shave, so that's a combination button. This one here is shave or blend, up or down. This one here is whether you're mixing 1 drink, 2 drinks, or 3 drinks at the same time. So I'm going 1, so it's on 1. I believe on 1 it's going to spin around faster because if you put it on 3 and you go fast, you don't want the slushy stuff for the mix flying up over the container there. So I think that just changes the speed a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and shave the ice up here. Okay, there you go, got the shaved ice. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the blend button. Alright, we're good to go on there. I'll put it up on the screen while I was doing it. There is another compartment here in the back. This catches the water that comes out on the from the ice there container in the back. Oh, I guess the next thing is to test it. Oh, gotta open up the lid there. Ah, badass. What do you think, buddy? Yep, it's right on. There you have it. So that's how you make the pina colada or the other drink mixes. Alright, so if you got this far, please hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. So, is this blender worth it? Heck yeah. I didn't even look how much my wife bought it for me, but however much it is, I'd buy the highest model. This might be the best model on Amazon. I think there's a couple out there. Definitely is worth the money. You can see we pounded 2 bottles of cruising rum with the pina coladas here this weekend at the party. Everybody was loving it. It is not difficult to maintain, and can't taste alcohol with it whenever you're drinking it with the mix. So it's definitely 2 thumbs up. Go ahead and purchase this machine. Alright, have a good one. See ya.